Hello everyone, this is my first YouTube video. On this channel, I'm going to share with you my culinary knowledge and create a positive environment. But before we go into today's topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Garen, I'm 28 years old, born and raised in Lebanon, currently living in UAE. My dream is to become a private chef. If you are watching this, thank you for your time and don't forget to subscribe on the end of the video, and let's keep this word positive.